Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing how to create a table in Excel, and after that, we'll see how to work on different options of a table. And also, at the end of this video, I'll be showing you a bonus tip, so I encourage you to watch the video to the end. Having said that, let's get started. So I'll be showing you two ways to create a table, a long cut method and a shortcut method. First of all, let's start with the shortcut method. Focus your mouse in the data. Next, press Ctrl T on your keyboard or Ctrl L keyboard shortcut. So press Ctrl T, you have this dialog box. So next, this is check. My table has headers. Actually, it has headers. This name, age, profession. So you make sure it's checked. Then next, you click on OK. So as you can see, the table has been created. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo. So that we'll go to the second method. Ctrl Z, undo. So next, make sure you're focused on the data. Go to Insert, the Insert tab, then click on Table. So you have this, you click on OK. You see our table has been created. Now, as you can see here under this name, you see the names are not completely visible. Another way you can fix this is go up here, place your mouse up here. As you move towards the end, you see it changes. So just double tap twice. Just double tap. As you can see, that has been fixed. You can do the same with this profession. Take it up, tap here. Yeah, so that has been fixed. So another way you could still do that manually. To do that manually, you just take your mouse up towards the end. You can drag like this to expand. Same way you can take it back. You can do it like that. Now, if let's say you want to add a name after John Smith, you just go here, we have Jane Doe. Right click. You select first, then right click and click on what? Insert. So as you can see, this row has been added. You can just fill it with information like so. Go to the next, go to this one, just type something. So basically, that's how you can do that. Or if let's say you want to add a column after name, you just click on what we have in age, right click on it, you take on what? Insert. As you can see, a column has been added. You just format, just change it to what you want. Just type something, you can fill to the end. Now, if let's say you wanted to add it after profession, you just go here, select this cell, you just type what you want. After typing, click on enter. You can just drag like this, then start filling the information just like so. Or better still, if you wanted to add after where we have Olivia Brown, you just select here, type what you want and click enter. Since it's been added, you just have to fill the rest. So basically, that's how you can go about it. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo everything to take our table to its original format. Ctrl Z. Okay. So now we have it like this. So if you check here, we have these. If I click here, we can sort our data. So we have all of these options. Even up here, we can sort from A to Z. Click again. You can sort from Z to A. Click here. We have the other options. You can sort based on this. You can check this. Just only check sort by the name David Johnson. You click on OK. As you can see, we have just this. So go back there and just check all. Click on OK. So everything is back to normal. Now, if you see here, if I focus my mouse in the table, you see we have this option, table design. But if I go out of it, we no longer have the option. So focus, click on the options, table design, click on it. So I have all these options here. We have header row, it's checked. If I uncheck it, you see, it's hidden. Check it back, it's back. Then if you go here, we have total row. We'll be coming back to that. So let's go to this. We have branded rows. If I uncheck this, see, check, we have that. So next we go to we have first column. If I check that, see, we have that, it's been highlighted. First column has been highlighted. If I uncheck, the highlight is removed. We have last column. If I check it, same thing. The next we have banded columns. If I click on that, see, we have that. So now let's go to this total row. So if I check it, you see we have this here. So you see the total number here, rows we have 10. I have 10 rows. So now if we go back up here, we have this filter button. If I uncheck this, you see this, the buttons here is no longer there. If I go back and check, we now have the button. So if let's say you don't want this button, the filter button here, you just go up here and click on uncheck. You uncheck it to remove that. Okay, for further explanations, we'll be going to this next spreadsheet or the next table. So we have this. If you can see here, I'll just select it, go to table design. So we see a total row has been checked. So I won't check it, it's back. If I check, you see we have this. If I focus here, we have this option by the side. If you focus and you don't have it, just double tap and you have the option. So if I click here, you see you have currently selected is count. So it basically count the total number of rows and give you the number here. So if I click here and I want the sum, I'll just click on sum. It gives me the sum of all of this. You go back here. If I want the average, I just click on the average and it gives me the average. So I could not do that with this one here because we do not have on something like, for example, salary, where you could do the total calculation and give us this. So next we have, if we go up here, we have this option, table styles. So if I click here, we have these various types. So if I highlight here, you see our table changes based on the style design. So if you can go through it, choose the one you want. If let's say I choose this, see what the design of all the styles of our table has changed. Next we'll go back there. So if we go scroll to the bottom, we have this clear option. So this is the bonus tip. We click on clear option. So after clearing the table design or styles, you go up here, select the entire table like so. You go to the home tab, click on here on the home options, or you have this, click on this drop down button. So you go next, we go to this line style, make sure this is selected. You can choose any one, only any option here, but I prefer this because the line is thicker. So I select that. Next, you go back there, go to this all borders. So as you can see, border has been applied to the entire table. So basically just go up here, increase this, and let's see, add this to 16. So basically that's how you can create a table in Excel and manipulate some table options. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.